Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll cover one of the most practical and essential parts of meal planning: labeling, storing, and tracking your meals. These simple steps can make a massive difference in how long your food stays fresh, how organized your kitchen feels, and how consistently you stick to your plan. Let's start with labeling. Clear labeling helps you keep track of what's in your containers and when you made it. Without labels, it's easy to forget what's inside or how long it's been there, which can lead to wasted food and confusion. The best way to label your meals is to include 3 key details: the name of the dish, the date it was cooked, and the use-by or freeze-by date. You can use masking tape and a permanent marker, reusable food labels, or dissolvable stickers. Keep labels consistent and easy to read. Color coding can help too. For example, blue for proteins, green for vegetables, and red for full meals. Next, let's talk about storing. Proper storage keeps your meals fresh, safe, and delicious. Always let food cool to room temperature before storing. Sealing hot food traps steam, which can cause sogginess and shorten shelf life. Use airtight containers, preferably glass, since they don't absorb odors or stain. For the fridge, store meals you'll eat within 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze portions in freezer-safe containers or heavy-duty bags. Flatten bags before freezing to save space and make defrosting easier. Organize your fridge and freezer by meal type. For example, lunches on one shelf, dinners on another. Keep frequently used items near the front and backups toward the back. Rotate your meals using the first-in, first-out rule. Always eat the oldest meals first. This keeps your food fresh and prevents forgotten containers from turning into science experiments. Now let's discuss tracking your meals. Tracking helps you stay consistent, reduce waste, and see what's working for your routine. Start by keeping a simple meal log. This can be a notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app. Write down what meals you prepped, how many servings, and when you plan to eat them. You can even set reminders on your phone for when to defrost frozen meals or finish refrigerated ones. Another smart strategy is to track your satisfaction and timing. Note which meals you enjoyed most and how long they kept you full. Over time, you'll learn which recipes are your best go-tos and which ones you can skip next time. This feedback loop helps you refine your planning each week. For families, tracking also helps you coordinate who eats what and when. You can post a whiteboard on the fridge showing the week's menu and what's available. It's a simple way to reduce what's for dinner stress and keep everyone on the same page. When freezing, remember that texture and flavor can change over time. Most meals are best eaten within 3 months for peak taste and quality. Label frozen meals with the freeze date to make rotation easy. For liquids like soups or sauces, leave a little space in the container. They expand as they freeze. Another great tip is portion control. Divide your meals into single-serving containers before storing. This makes grab-and-go lunches easy and helps with calorie and portion management. Here's your quick recap. Label everything clearly with dates, use airtight containers, cool food before sealing, and organize your fridge and freezer by meal type. Track your meals in a log or app to stay consistent and reduce waste. When you combine good labeling, smart storage, and tracking, your meal planning system becomes smooth, efficient, and stress-free. In the next lesson, we'll move on to the next key skill: smart grocery shopping. You'll learn how to plan your trips, save money, and buy exactly what you need to stay on track. Let's keep going.